Hello there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page on Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to your Shopify admin panel, or you can see Shopify dashboard here. So after coming here, you just simply have to tap onto apps, this options, and then after clicking onto apps, here you can check out all apps, or you can just simply go to Shopify, like go to Shopify theme store. Wait, let me just find it out. From these options, you can go to apps and channel settings, and here you can find some installed Shopify store. Just go to Shopify app store from here, and after heading to Shopify store, then simply at the search bar search for Pagefly and then tap enter. Install the extension of this one. So as you can see, this is already installed on my Shopify store. So wait, let me show you. So this is the Pagefly page builder. Now if you want to create your landing page, then you can just check it out. Let me show you. On the pages option, you can choose from regular template, or you can just create a blank landing page according to your need. And from there you can check out a lot of landing pages. You can just choose one. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, uh, cats and pets. Okay, dogs and cats. Sure, so there we go. Now you can customize it according to your need. From here, for example, you want to edit this one, you can edit this text if you want to. Also, you can edit this logo. You simply tap onto the logo, and from this place section and all other things, you can just make it larger. You can check them out deeply from here. And let's say you want to edit this text, you just have to choose the text. You have to edit it from here. You can make it bold, italic, or many other things. Just check this link out. You can link the text with any other site if you wish to. You can add image or change image from here, and then you can just save it and publish it. So that's it. This is how you can create a landing page on Shopify very easily. You just have to enter a title for your page, and then you have to save it up. Then tap on to save, and there we go. Your page has been saved, and you can now easily publish it. Now tap on to publish and publish it. You have to enter page title, page URL, then tap on to publish. There we go. So that's it. Very simple. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you on to another video.